Okay, just made a deposit using my card. Just made a deposit of $30. Let's go look for signal. I'll be right back. Okay, I just entered a trade. Let's see how fast it will pull through. If it's not pulling through now, I'll have to pause until it's done. Okay, I didn't want the video to be too long. This is just me showing you that every day you can be doing this, but the first thing is you need to master the craft. I just used $30 now to make like about $8. So right now I should have like 37, almost $38. Now anybody can do this. I just want to make 50% and I'll stop. Okay, I just entered the second trade. Let's see how fast it pulls through. I may have to pause. I don't want this video to be too long at all. Okay, second trade pulls through. So this is 26%, 26%, that should be about 50%. So now I have $15. Yeah, so I started with $30. Now I have $15 profit on the less than 2 minutes. Anybody can do this, I've always been saying. Okay, so $30 has been growing into 105. That's about 200% plus. So I'm gonna be okay. Let me show you profit table so that you can get to see. Will there be losses? Of course. Can you see some losses? I actually overtraded some just now. I overtraded. I was supposed to stop. I was feeling sleepy and dizzy, but uh, money got to be made. Yeah. Okay, so I'm making a withdrawal now. Please kindly note that the withdrawal for what's it called does not work. Directly to the bank does not work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. So because it doesn't work, what you need to do is to use options like what's it called? Options like Perfect Money. You use Perfect Money to make your withdrawal and you will be cool. Or you can use Bitcoin. But I prefer Perfect Money or Skrill or Neteller, whichever one you feel like you're comfortable with, depending on how you can easily sell. Okay, so I have 105. Hey, I'm gonna withdraw 103 dots. In fact, I'm withdrawing now 3. I'm gonna work with a fraction 3/8. Okay, so select method. I'm not gonna use refund. I'm just gonna use Perfect Money. So here I'll say payout, pay request, and I guess by this morning it should be ready for cashing out. All right, so this is how you can get to be making, let's say $60 every day, no, $70 or $75 every day or $80 every day, 30,000 every day. Yeah, anybody can do this, but hey, you need to learn first. Don't just think I'm just guessing. I'm not just guessing. I'm trading with a particular strategy. That is what you will be trained and tutor on. God bless you and have a wonderful day.